Hello, traders. How are you all doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today, I want to officially announce to you a Signal website that has been created for all of us. Yes, there is a Signal website that I have personally worked on, which is going to serve you signals, which is going to help you get a lot of signals. So I want to show you that website and how you can use this website to your own advantage. Is that okay? So let me go quickly, without wasting my time, share this website with you. This is the website. Okay, this is the website. A very, very simple website for your own use. So when you go to the top menu, there's something that you will see. We have the home, we have the signals, we have the about us, we have the disclaimer, we have the results, and then we also have a blog. Okay. Now, this website name, I'm going to leave the name of the website or the link of this website at the description of this video. So when you go to the description of this video, you'll get the link to the website. But this is the name that you can easily search to get this website. It's for Leading Forex, okay? This is Leading Forex Signals. So the signals is in plural form. So leadingforexsignals.com. So this is the name of the website, leadingforexsignals.com. So once you type in this on your browser or you Google this, you should get this website here. So you type in this, leadingforexsignals.com. leadingforexsignals.com. And once you type in this, it will bring you to this website here. When you click on this and you don't see this website, then that is not the website I want to show you. But the website I want to show you is leadingforexsignals.com. So you can Google search that, or you can go to the description of this video and copy the link, or you just copy the link and drop it in your browser and you'll have this website. Is that okay? Now, this is the home page of the website. So when you come to the home page, this is how the home page looks like. We have free Forex signals over here. And this is the table that you will see. This table will be updated from time to time when there's a new signal. So let me explain what the signals look like and what these features mean. There's creation date portion here that you will see. That is the date on which the signals were posted. We have so far 3 signals. So this one here, and then this one here. So when you look at the first one at the top, the one at the top is the current one. Always the ones at the top are the current ones. The older ones are the ones below. Is that okay? And even when you check the creation date, the date aspect, you will get to know which one is the latest one. So when you look at the last one here, which is AUD NZD sell, the date is 14th of December, 2022. And then when you look at GBP chef buy, it was on 15th December, 2022. And then GBP USD buy was also 15th December, 2022. So it is possible that in a day, 3 or 4 signals will be posted. But the ones at the top are always the recent ones. Is that okay? Good. Now, we also have the status column. This area is very, very important. So when you come to this website and you want to pick any trade with the signals, the first thing you look at is the date and pick the current one and look at whether that current trade is open. The word open here means that you can still take this signal. Once you see open, it means that the trade is still available for you to take. That is what is meant by the open. So when you see open here, it means the signal is tradable. You can take it. And then when the trade is done, you will see the results in either red color or green color. The red color is a loss signal. And then the green color is a won signal, or a signal that we won. And then the red one is a signal that we lost. So if you look at it, you will see loss 100 pips in red, and you see win 50 pips also in green. So that will tell you the status of the signal. So as we speak, today is Saturday, 17th of December. So today being Saturday, 17th of December, it means that this signal is still open. You can still take it in case you saw it today. Maybe you didn't see it on the 15th, but you saw it today, 17th. But as we speak, the market is closed. So maybe you might be seeing this signal on 19th, which is Monday, when the market is opened. So when you come and you check open and you see that it is still open, it means you can still take that trade. It doesn't matter which date the signal was created. Is that okay? Now, if the signal is not open, there are times signals that you will not see open, but you may see a different write-up. For instance, you may see pending. When you see pending written, it means that that signal has not yet triggered. So you may have to hold. Okay, when you see pending, it means you may have to hold. And then when you also see the word running, it means that the trade has already gone. So do not take it. Please take note of the writings or the things I'm saying. You may see running. When you see running at the status column here, it means that that trade is already in motion. And for that matter, you should not take it. And then when you also see pending, it means that trade hasn't triggered yet. And then when you see open, like we are seeing at the top here, it means the open means that you can take that trade. It is available for you to do what? To take. So when you come to the website, anytime you come to the website, you have to look for the open ones. If it's running, it means the trade is already in motion, so you should allow it to go. You can't take it. If it is pending, it means it is not yet time for you to take it. But if the trade is closed, or if the target is hit, you will see either loss or win over here. Is that okay? Now, we have created a stop loss for you here. So each trade will have a stop loss column here. So GBP USD buy, this is the stop loss that has been given. So you can see the stop loss here. So this area is the column for stop loss for each signal. And then we also have the take profit column for each signal. So this is the take profit figure for each signal. And then we also have the entry price for each signal, the price at which to enter, or the price at which the signal is being entered. You will see that entry price also here. And then you will see the signal here. GBP USD buy, GBP chef buy, AUD NZD buy. So you see that. So this is the signal portion. Now, we also have last signals launched. The last signals launched are the previous signals that have been closed. It means it's just giving you results of previous signals. So if you want the results of previous signals, you will always check here to see whether the signals are giving profit or not. So this website has just been launched, so you may not have enough information now. But as time goes on, after a week or two or a month, you will see enough information at the last signals launched. And that will be able to help you to decide or to know whether the signals here are making the profits or they are making losses. But for now, it's just too early because we have just 2 signals closed, only 2 signals. But I am showing you this website as early as possible so that you can take advantage, because the signals here are free of charge. When you go down, you will also see the About Us column. So if you want to know what we stand for, it's also here. And then when you go below, it says that feel free to contact us. If you want to send us a message, or if you have something you want to find out, you put in your name, your first name, and then your last name, your email, your phone number, and then your message. So if we will have to contact you back on phone or WhatsApp, you will do that. If we have to contact you by sending you a reply, we can easily do that. So this is the contact form. In case you want to contact us or ask anything, you can use the contact us area here. And then when you go down, there's also another option at the down here. So once you fill in, you submit, you click on submit to submit. Now this area is the subscription aspect, which I want everyone who would like to receive signals from us to do. When you subscribe to this website, what it means is that anytime we post a signal on this website, you will be given a notification in your email. Maybe most of us may not be able to get the time to be coming to check on the site regularly, but you want the site to give you a notification in your mail anytime we post a new signal. So then this is your portion for you to subscribe. So you put in your name and your email, and then once you put in your email here, you click on submit to subscribe to this website. So what it means is that anytime we post anything new on this website, be it a signal or any information we want you to know, you will be the first to get it in your email. So that is why we have the subscription area here. I've had a lot of you complain that the Telegram channel that we use for the signals, sometimes we post signals on the Telegram page and you don't see the signals on time. Then it means this signals area here is there for you. This portion here is there for you. So yours is to do what? To easily subscribe to this site so that anytime we post a signal on this website, you will receive a notification in your mail. And then you can quickly come to the site and check, or you open the mail and check what signal has been posted. So this area is there for all of us. If you also want our Facebook page, you click on this, it will take you to our Facebook page or Twitter page. Is that okay? Now, there's also something very important here I need to explain. When you come to the top here, we have the home portion. So when you click on the home, this is the home area. Is that okay? And then we also have the signals area. When you click on the signals area, it will bring you to only the signals area here. So this is the signals area here. When you click on the about us, it will give us the about us area here too for you to see. And that is if you have any question or something to ask, you can see. So this is the about us area. Now we have a disclaimer on this website. So when you click on the disclaimer portion, it will load and you will see the disclaimer. So this is the disclaimer area on the website. If you also need results, you want to see all the results of the signals, you click on results on the top menu here. You see, for now, we have only one result here. The other ones hasn't been updated. So once you come to the results area, you will see all the daily results over here. And then we also have a blog. When you click on the blog area, you will see some of our articles that you can read. So we have these articles based on Forex psychology, based on education, Forex education. So stages of losses in Forex. I have that video on YouTube already, but we also have it in writing here. Forex trading has no one single formula. If you want to read about that, you can click to read. And then we also have Forex psychology on perfect trade setup. So you'll be seeing more articles on this blog. So if you want to read more or be getting more of our details in terms of blogs, whatever content we have, you may have to subscribe. You may have to subscribe so that anytime we post either an article on our blog or we post a signal on the site, you will be the first to receive. Now, this website is so clean and so easy to navigate. You can open it on your mobile phone. You can open it on your PC, but this is the PC version. You can open it on your mobile phone. I want this to be very easy for everybody. So that is why I have made it so simple for all of us. This is our official Signal page or official Signal website. So please feel free to subscribe to this website, okay? So that anytime we post a new Signal, you'll be the first to receive. Now, we also have our YouTube channel where we post signals, where you are watching me from. We do market review every Sunday to tell you possible signals that you can take. So the YouTube is also going to stand. Since we have a website here, doesn't mean that the signals we bring on Sundays will no more be coming. No, the signals on Sundays will still be coming on this YouTube channel. And also the Telegram page, those of you on my Telegram, the Telegram page, if you go there, there are signals that will be posted there. So the signals that will be on this website here will also be on the Telegram page. So anytime I post a new signal here, the Telegram page will also be updated, that same signal. So when you are on this website, it gives you an upper hand, because once a signal is posted on the website here, it will also be updated on the Telegram page. Is that okay? And also our Sunday market review or signals on Sundays will be posted on YouTube. So the videos will keep coming. The signal videos will keep coming. And also the signals, the weekly other signals that you may miss will be seen here. You will come to this website and you get all the other signals. I'll be bringing another blog on top here, and that one will be for tutorials. So all the YouTube videos and tutorials, we will upload them on the website here, so that if you come to this website and you want to watch our videos, you can easily click on the tutorial column or page and then begin to watch the videos. So that is all that we are trying to do. So we are bringing all our outlets, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, and all other things, all on this website. So we are making it all in one on this website. So if you are excited to have this website, please leave us a message or give us a like. So make sure you will subscribe to this website so that you will be receiving daily updates, new signals updates. Or if you don't subscribe, then it means that you have to be coming to this website from time to time to come and check. You have to be coming from time to time to come and check and see whether there's a new signal on the website or not. So this is the latest information I have for you. And I'm sure you are excited about this new information. And I know you take advantage of it so that Forex trading that we want it to be easy for you on Leading Forex will become easier. We are still trying all other things that we think and believe will make Forex easier for you. So subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make this YouTube grow. Already we have 3K subscribers, 3,000 subscribers. That is a big one. 3,000 people following me on YouTube. Oh, I salute all of you. God bless all of you. So let's keep growing this community. More subscribers. Like the videos, and let's make this community a bigger one. Let's show to the world that Leading Forex is indeed the leading Forex channel and the leading Forex website that can make traders successful. My name is Kofi, your admin. I'll see you in other updates very soon. But subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos, and also subscribe to the new website for more signals. Okay? Thank you. God be with us.